to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Denise. If this is your very first video, thanks for stopping by. I hope that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review, and this wig is from UNice Hair Company on Amazon. I did get their 16-inch Brazilian Remy straight Remy? Brazilian Remy? Remy Brazilian. It's some straight hair, okay? It is 150% density and it is a ombre wig. The color is T430. Yes, y'all, so it's got a little color, okay? So you guys have already seen me review a couple of UNice units, so no need to do the unboxing. It still comes with the same thing, y'all. A wig cap, adjustable strap, and your wig. So let's just jump right into the video. So this is how the wig is looking right out of the pack. Look at that color. Ooh. This about to be the perfect fall wig, y'all, because this is giving me fall vibes, like pumpkin spice and everything nice. But yeah, so she's gonna come with only this much lace to cut, and then she's gonna come with your standard combs. You're gonna get the 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and then your adjustable strap in the back, and then she also has a small piece of lace in the back. So the parting looks really good. So let's just go ahead and see what she's working with. this is what we got. Quick and easy. All I did was tweeze the part a little, added my powder, and then flat ironed her, and she was ready to go. Like, she's ready to go to the fall ball, okay? Like, this color, sus. This color, sus. Come on, sus. If y'all can't already tell, I like the color, okay? Super, super pretty. This is all the hair pulled to the front. It's very lightweight. The cap fits super amazing. She lays super flat. So I have nothing negative to say about this wig, and she's only gonna run you $112 on Amazon. Sus, you can't beat it with a bat, okay? Can't beat it with a bat. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way you can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.